Smartphones enable us to monitor our lives in so many ways. One of them is to look in and around our premises in real time to monitor events as they happen. But what happens if you witness unwanted guests in real time on your phone? Well, one option is to watch helplessly. Well, the other option is to use this feed as your means of verifying the event and to activate Fog Cannon in that area to restrict the vision and force the thieves away. This type of functionality has been available to security centers for some time now, and we can work with you or your security provider to find a solution that fits with your needs, giving you the ability to take action. We're talking on the understanding that you're aware of Fog Cannon, what it is, plus how it safely protects your home or business. If you're not aware, or you wish to know more, then please click on the box to the right called Tell Me More About Fog Cannon. Now, we've been helping others to protect what matters for over 20 years, and we can make it easy for you too to take action. We'll work alongside your security installer, or we can provide a trusted turnkey solution so you remain focused on your daily activities. So it's over to you. Contact us now and we'll make it easy for you to fight back and take action. Thank you for your time. We hope it's been of value to you. And remember, if you value it, protect it.